There sure is.
Look how fast that's happening. It's whack.
Oh, wow, it is happening really quickly. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at the letters over there. That's so cool. Wow. What is that spray?
It's white vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, and salt.
Oh my god, this is so cool.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, I just messed up the video, but it's so cool.
Oh, what happened?
I like zoomed in, but then I moved it up out of the
But you got the recording, right?
somewhat, I think.
I mean, when I was spraying it? Oh, you didn't get it while I was spraying? Should I spray it again? What? Okay, so the rust came real quick. Literally just 15 minutes for this amount so far. I'm letting it dry in the sun because I'm concerned that when I peel off the tape, I don't want to lose any of the rust. So I want it to dry, and then I'm going to immediately spray it with this matte clear enamel, hoping that doesn't turn yellow someday. And there we go.